Are you having issues getting into your AddEvent account and you can't figure out what to do? Hey, it's Brenda Meller, and I want to walk you through what I've been experiencing the past few days and how I was able to get back into my AddEvent website. What I'm going to do to start out is I'm just going to navigate to my desktop right now, and I'm going to go to Google, which is likely where you're going to start your process off as well. And normally, what I would do is I would just go to addevent.com and then I would see a login screen. Now, lately, this is what's happening. It's saying the site can't be reached. AddEvent refused to connect. I don't know why it's being difficult. And then it's giving me some say, hey, try the connection, try the proxy and the firewall. I have no idea what that means. And I look through this language. It's not an internet issue. I'm not having this issue with any other website I'm connecting with. It's not Chrome. I've tried this in Firefox, so I know it's not just a specific browser. And then it's got some other stuff about proxy server. I have no idea what that means. Now, I contacted AddEvent. Luckily, I did have a customer support email in my inbox already for a prior issue that I was experiencing. So I was able to open up a new email with them and explain the situation. The first thing they suggested is that I clear out my cookies and cache. I did so. It's just a traumatic event because you know what happens. You got to like log out and log back into everything. Every social media site sends you codes again. Takes a little bit of time, but I did that and I came back and the same thing was happening. So I grabbed the screen capture, I sent it back to the person at AddEvent. And I said, still happening. And she said, okay, try these other things. And she says, if you're using any sort of a VPN or a firewall, disable that. And you know what? I just remembered I was at an offsite location the other day. I enabled a VPN on my laptop. It will still set up. So now I want to show you what happens. I'm going to turn my VPN off. I'm turning it off on another screen right now. And then I'm going to go back to AddEvent on my main page here that you're seeing. I'm going to do a page refresh. Look at that. I'm now back into AddEvent. So if you're using any type of a VPN or firewall while you're traveling, you may need to disable that to get back into your AddEvent. Now, I'm going to be putting this video on my public YouTube channel. I'm also going to be putting it in a blog on my website in the hope that this helps you because I was getting frustrated, couldn't get into the AddEvent site to find their contact us page. I was posting in Facebook groups. I was texting my friends. I know that AddEvent has had some issues recently where they've taken the site down, and I thought it might be site wide. I was this close to canceling my AddEvent account and looking for alternatives. And there's really no other service like this out there. Luckily, I was able to get back in, and hopefully, this video is reaching you to help you with your frustration as well. Hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great video tips like this. And also consider sharing this video along with somebody else who might be kicking and screaming about issues that they're having with AddEvent. Have a great day.